Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will discuss about simple printing in Java. It is first program of Java in which we will learn how we can print information through a program in Java programming. So for this, first of all we will open Notepad. We can make a Java program in Notepad. Here we will take class. Class is the keyword to declare a class. Now we will give a class name like this, person information, because in this program I will print a person information. After class name we will take main method, public static void main. It is starting point of Java program. Every Java program must contain a main method because execution of program start from main method. So here we will print simple information like this: name, age, salary and gender. For this we will take printing statement system.out.println and will say name /t. /t is for horizontal tab, and here we will print name like this. Second is age. /t will maintain equal gap. It is horizontal tab. These are the information we have to print. So here I take class keyword, and with the class keyword I declare a class with the name person information, and in this class I took a main method public static void main, and here I printed 4 statement: name of a person, age, salary and address. Now to execute this program, first of all we will save. For this we will go file and click on save, and we have to save this program with a class name. Class name is person information. And .java is the extension. So like this we can save our Java program. .java is the extension and person information is the class name. We have to save the program with class name in which main method is present. Now we have to save this program at a particular location. For this we will I go to my computer, C drive and JDK. Here is a JDK 1.7 and 1.6. So anyone I can use. I am using 1.7. Open the 1.7 and after that I will open its bin, and here I will save this program. So to execute a program we have to save Java program in JDK bin folder. Now to execute this program we will open command prompt. It is command prompt like this. If it is not present here, then we will type cmd and we'll select from here. And one more method is this: we can click all programs, accessories, and it is also over here, command prompt. So like this we can open command prompt. Now we will go to this location where our program is saved. For this, first of all we will click cd/enter. cd/ will bring us on root directory, that is root drive, that is C. Now we will say cd change directory and jdk star. jdk star is a wildcard character. It means there is a folder that will start with jdk. So we'll press tab key. So it first will show JDK 1.6. again we will press tab key. It will show second JDK, and our program is saved in this JDK. So we will press enter. Now cd bin is also open. Now we are here. For compile we will write javek person information .java. Program has been compiled, no error. If there will be any error, that will be shown here like this. If I remove this semicolon save this program. Again compile this program. By up arrow key from keyboard we can bring previous command, press enter. You can look here, Java error 5, missing semicolon. So it's showing expected this, means at line 5, it is line 5, we have to write semicolon. Again save this program and open command prompt, and again by up arrow key bring previous command, enter. Now it's okay, no error. Now to execute this program we will write Java person information and press enter. So we can look here, information has been printed, and all information is on with maintaining equal spacing with the help of /t. So like this we can print information of a person with the help of a Java program. It is very simple program in which I told you how we can print information of a person. It is just a demo program. In next program we will discuss how we can print information stored in some variable. I hope this program will be understand to you or more clear, it will be more clear to you. But still then if you have some problem you can ask me through comment, and if you want to see in this program in Hindi, you can go on, you can visit my second channel. Link of that channel is present in the video description. If you like this video, it is helpful for you, you can like this video and can share this video with your friends, and can subscribe my channel for more videos of the related topics. Thanks for watching.